Hey creators, it's Rachel here. In this video, we'll explore the best tools to level up your YouTube channel. We'll break down the content into clear, digestible segments. Today we're diving into vidIQ to see how it stacks up against other tools. Let's find out which one comes out on top. Alright, first up, vidIQ. This tool is packed with features. We're talking keyword research, competitor analysis, even thumbnail previews. One of the things I really dig about vidIQ is how it integrates right into YouTube. You get all these insights right there in your dashboard. No need to constantly switch between tabs and windows, it just flows. Now we've covered the integration, let's move on to keywords. vidIQ's keyword research tools are seriously powerful. You can see search volume, competition, and even get suggestions for tags. This is huge for getting your videos discovered. And the competitor analysis? Don't even get me started. You can see what's working for other creators in your niche and adjust your strategy accordingly. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Like any tool, vidIQ has its downsides. One thing to keep in mind is the pricing. The free plan is great for starting out, but to unlock the real power, you'll need to go premium. And trust me, those advanced features are tempting. Overall, vidIQ is a beast when it comes to YouTube optimization. It's user-friendly, the data is insightful, and it can really give you an edge. If you're serious about growing your channel, definitely check it out. Next up, we've got TubeBuddy. This is another popular choice for YouTubers, and for good reason. Like vidIQ, it offers a ton of features like keyword research and tag suggestions. Where TubeBuddy really shines is its focus on productivity. It's got tools for bulk processing uploads, managing your end screens, and even A/B testing thumbnails. If you're all about efficiency, TubeBuddy is your new best friend. It streamlines your workflow and helps you get more done in less time. Plus, their Tag Explorer is top-notch. It gives you a deep dive into the keywords your competitors are using, and helps you find hidden gems to rank for. However, I will say, TubeBuddy's interface can feel a little clunky at times. It's not quite as intuitive as vidIQ, and navigating through all the features can take some getting used to. But hey, once you get the hang of it, it's a powerful tool. Overall, TubeBuddy is a solid option, especially if you're looking for productivity features. It might take a bit to master, but it can definitely help you optimize your channel and save time. Now let's take a closer look at our third point. Segment 3, Morning Fame, Data-Driven Growth. Last but not least, let's talk about Morning Fame. Now this one's a little different. While vidIQ and TubeBuddy are more focused on optimization tools, Morning Fame is all about data and analytics. Think of it like your channel's personal analytics guru. One of the things that sets Morning Fame apart is its in-depth reporting. It gives you a clear picture of your channel's performance, audience demographics, and even tracks your competitors. This kind of data is invaluable for making informed decisions about your content strategy. Morning Fame also offers personalized recommendations based on your channel's data. It's like having a team of YouTube experts in your corner, guiding you towards success. However, all this data comes at a price. Morning Fame is definitely on the pricier side compared to vidIQ and TubeBuddy. It's really geared towards creators who are serious about data-driven growth and are willing to invest in it. So, if you live and breathe analytics and want that extra layer of data to inform your decisions, Morning Fame is worth checking out. Just be prepared to shell out a bit more for those insights. In summary, each tool has its strengths. vidIQ and TubeBuddy excel in optimization while Morning Fame shines in analytics. Consider your needs and budget carefully. Think critically about what will best support your growth on YouTube. Ultimately, the right tool can make a significant difference in your YouTube journey. So, there you have it. Each tool has its strengths, but for me, vidIQ takes the crown. To recap, we compared features, usability, and pricing. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link vidIQ.com/studio sessions for more content and ideas.